Hello, my name is John Plank. Welcome to week 2 in the cross-platform class. For the next couple minutes, I'm going to take you through my week. So first off, my development process for this week was just to get remote data working with parse.com, kind of like we did last week, except this time I added a new class called list, and now I'm sharing relational data with my user class. The most challenging thing for me this week was editing or updating, whatever you want to call it. I got it working on username, but it didn't work to fit the criteria for what the class wanted, because it's supposed to be something private, but for mine you can see username, so I'm still working on that. So anyways, I'm logged in right now as a guy named Poop because I had a bad week. So anyways, let's take a look at view all bucket list. So right now we're loading bucket list, and for Poop you'll see his bucket list along with private items that you wouldn't see if you were signing in as another person. So it's catching up here. So Pooh, you only see tapes and Goofy, and then for Poop you see bread, apples, and Cooper, or Copper. That is a private item. So we go down to private items, and wait for that to load. You'll see that he has his private item as a Cooper, Copper, whatever. So you see right there. We can add another item, but we're not going to do that right now. We're going to go to update personal items. So now we can change that Copper into, let's change it to cash. Go to update, then wait for this my slow internet connection to send it, and then change it. So current private bucket list for user Poop is cash. So now if we go back to view all bucket list, you'll see that that did change. So now instead of Cooper, Copper, it is cash. So we're gonna sign out, and then we're gonna sign in as Pooh, Poop's brother, and we're going to show you that I might have typed in the wrong password. Yes, I did. So when it's done thinking, it should log in. There we go. It's catching up. So if we go to view all bucket lists, we'll wait for this to reload. And now you see that there is no private item. You don't see the cache there for Poop, so that has been shared away from. Well, the private data hasn't been shared out. So we'll go to personal item, so we can add some for this guy. We'll give him some apples. If I know how to spell. My phone's acting very slow. So we'll add that. And you see that the user Pooh has apples now. So we go back, view all bucket lists, and then I'll show you deleting just that specific object. So now he has apples just like Pooh does, or Pooh. So we're going back to personal item, and that will load what he currently has, the private. And we're going to delete that. Disappear, and I'm going to go back to view all bucket list, and cross your fingers, it should disappear off of his. As you can see, it has disappeared. So one more thing, we're going to go to view my bucket list one more time, and this is his personal bucket list, and we're going to delete that. And we'll go back to view all bucket list, and you can see that now he has totally erased everything, and probably won't even show the user since he has nothing to show. So there we see, now we only see Poop and what he has. I have the network stuff all working, but I don't have time to show it in the video. Hope everyone else is doing very well, and take care.